have a hard time trying to close your door and wondering why it's not closing right up in here, you can see that it's real tight up in here. Well, if you look across the top right up and through here, it's got a big old gap, and then it goes down to almost nothing over here. Okay, how are we going to fix this? We're going to go ahead and open this door. First thing you're going to have to do is you're going to remove the center screw, which is closest to the storm door or the outside of the house. We're going to end up putting a longer screw in. Okay? Got a longer screw. It's going to go in that hole right there. What this is doing is it's making the difference. And adjust it accordingly. I went in a little tight. Come on back out. We're going to reshut that door. Look at that. Perfect. Got a nice better gap up and through there. It closes easy now, and it reduced that gap right along here. Thanks.